How to earn money with Upwork online. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be talking all about Upwork and how you can make money with Upwork. So let's get into it. Now, Upwork is a platform that enables people to find talent for the jobs that they need, and it enables people like us to sell our talent or to find work for the talent or services that we can provide. Now, there are two ways that you can earn money with Upwork. First off is the way to go with freelancing, where you can provide your service and people can contact you, or you can look for a specific job as well. So we're going to dive into how you can find jobs in Upwork, and then we're going to take a look at how you can earn money with freelancing on Upwork. So if you go on to upwork.com without even creating an account, you can go into the Find Work section and you will have two ways to earn. You can click on Find Work for your skills, and then you can just take a look at the type of work that you want. So you have so many different categories available, and you can just take a look at the different categories if you're already working. Like, let's say you're someone that has experience in accounting and finance. So you're going to go into accounting and finance, and then you can take a look at the Find Work section. You can go and search for finance. So maybe you want to become a financial analyst or a financial writer. Maybe you already have that job. So let's click on financial analyst, and you can see over here you have the financial writer jobs, and you will have different listings for financial writers. You will have the pay for these as well. Some of these are going to be remote jobs. Some of these could be online jobs. They will show you the experience level needed and the duration of the work as well. And also if it is a fixed pay working job, or if this is a hourly based and how many hours might be required for a job like this. So you are going to be able to easily estimate your earnings and estimate your time with these kinds of jobs. So let's say you find this to be a good investing job, like a good job. You can open up the writing over here, the job listing, you could say, and you can see over here you have the candidate requirements or the job requirements. And if you scroll down, you'll find all of the basic skills and expertise needed, and the specific activities that would be required in this job. And you can see the job listing where it was posted. Now, what you're going to do is you can also take a look at the client as well, because you need to make sure that it's a legitimate client looking for work. And what you're going to do is you can click on sign up with Google over here to get started with your Upwork journey, and you can just sign up via your Google account to log on to Upwork. And I already have a Google account, so that is why it is just verifying my Upwork account. And you can just create your profile with a simple few steps like this. So you can just add your basic expertise. Like so, you can add your experience, and then you can add your education, you can add your native languages, and then you can begin writing your bio. And then after that, you're going to enter the main services you offer. And then you can set your specific rate. So what your hourly rate is going to be, what the Upwork service fee is going to be. They're going to show you that and what you will receive. So if your hourly rate is $10 per hour, then they're going to take 20%, which would be $2 for every hour, and you will receive $8. So that is how the service fees can be. Now, after that, you're going to add your photo and location. So you can just click on check your profile. You can upload any photo over here. I'm just gonna go and select a random image from my downloads. Now, after you have finished your setup for your profile, you're gonna obviously have to verify your profile later on, but that is how you're going to just set up your profile. That is just the basic way. Now, after that, you're going to start browsing your jobs, so you can take a look at the different jobs that are available. Now, you can also go into the Find Work section and go and take a look at the proposals. You can also, navigate and communicate with the clients as well. You can take a look at the different jobs. So you can see like this person's listed everything. They have a fixed price, they need expert writing, and they need the top features of information technology. Now, what you're going to do is you can just click on submit a proposal to begin actually, communicating with these people about what kind of work they require, and you can communicate with them and have a better deal set up for you. Because like if you're looking for a long-term work and if they want long-term work, you can navigate a deal as well, and that would enable you to take your payments on a different platform where where you don't have to pay the Upwork fees as well. So you can sell basically any of your talent on Upwork. And if you're going to set up on Upwork, I would also recommend you go on to Fiverr. So Fiverr is another freelancing platform where you can offer your services as well. Because both of these are the top two platforms, it's better that you apply for both of these, and make sure to list all of your talent on your Upwork or Fiverr profile. If you're doing any kind of freelancing, make sure to list all of your talents, everything that you can do with the services that you are providing. And what you're going to do with your profile specifically is that you can go on and go onto your profile like that. So if I go onto my profile now, whenever you are writing your profile, you want to make sure it is as detailed as possible. Make sure you add your experiences, make sure you add your employment history and certifications if you have any, and your testimonial from clients, and all of your information quantities. You can also add the work hours that you need. So you are open for as needed work hours, as open to hours. Then you can add your verifications as well. You can add the rate that you're going to charge. So if you want to charge a higher rate, maybe you want to charge $20 per hour. So you're just going to enter that over here. And just like that, you're going to make sure everything is going to be as legitimate as possible, and everything is going to be as detailed as possible. You need your portfolio to be able to illustrate your work. So add your previous work history, add some of your previous work as well, add the specific skills that you are talented in to make sure that people are able to trust your profile and be able to hire you for the skills that you do. And don't ever lie in the skills section of your Upwork profile, because maybe a client hired you for writing and they saw that in your skills you also have proofreading. And if you're not able to proofread the document, they might start doubting your writing skills as well. So that is why it is very, very essential that you have everything in a most open and honest way in your profile as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.